Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking the exact input so you know what to strip. Look at examples and confirm whether values are strings, CSV columns, or JSON fields. Once done, identify which fields should be numeric and note any emoji or symbols mixed into them. Decide your target, integer or decimal, and whether to preserve signs or percent symbols. This early step prevents mistakes downstream and lets you pick the right library or regex for the actual cleaning work. Now you implement the core cleaning. Normalize the string using NFKC so composed emoji or variation selectors are consistent, then apply a Unicode-aware regex that strips emoji ranges while preserving digits, decimal points, plus/minus signs, and percent signs. Alternatively, use a Unicode library to filter by category and remove symbols and pictographs. Once implemented, run the pattern on a representative sample set and log before and after values to confirm you didn't drop needed characters. Finally, convert the clean string into your numeric type using a safe parse that returns a default or null on failure. For example, parse float with try/catch or a validation function that enforces one decimal point and a single leading sign. Once converted, validate ranges and business rules and store results. If you encounter failures, log the original input for debugging and provide a clear fallback. Troubleshooting tip: if numbers still fail, inspect Unicode code, points to find hidden.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.